did Jungkook promote these books? I don't remember the title, but the cover was red. Math teacher, if you had 10 BTS albums and I took 9 away, what would you have left to me? 10 BTS albums and a dead body. So Namjoon partly learned English by watching Friends, and I've watched about 283 K-dramas, and I only know 안녕하세요. That moment when your mom is calling you but you're chatting with Taehyung, I feel this deeply. Taehyung knows. Taehyung, I just typed nose with my nose. Yoongi, heart. Namjoon, what the fuck? Hoseok, Yoongi! Yoongi! Jungkook. Jimin, I've been your age, you've never been mine. Pay attention. Jungkook, I've been your height, you've never been mine. You pay attention.